My goal with the bootcamp is not to overload anyone, for you to be able to like check in, watch this on the weekends, decide like if you're super busy at work or whatever, you don't have to come in and like, you know, do the practical assignment. You can just hop on the webinar at the end of the month. I'll demo how to do the assignment correctly, and you'll get all the benefit of essentially having done the assignment. So the idea is that it's super relaxed. We're trying to run this as a community for all the people that take classes. So the idea with the bootcamp is not to like overload you, just give you like an extra thing with like bonus content and stuff like this. Having said that, like a lot of these topics, so for example, this bootloader example, it totally is a thing that you should watch out for because it totally pops up. Let me start with an anecdotal story. We replaced everything with a Raspberry Pi Pico. Guys, a Raspberry Pi Pico is pretty good, but it is not an FPGA. Let me just say that right out of the gate. So let's do it top 10 list style for those that watched Letterman back in the day. Number 3, Raspberry Pi Pico. So we'll turn it on, then we'll sleep for 1 second, and then we'll turn the LED back off. Try it. Run. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we got it. We got it, guys. All right, and for me to be sure that you guys got it, please send me pics. Send me pics or it didn't happen. Send me a video of this running. You can post it on Discord. I should be able to unplug this, plug it back in. There will be a slight delay as it loads the bitstream, but eventually it should come back. All right, so let's go. I'm gonna plug in this VR headset cable. It's angled like most VR headset cables. Boom, we're good to go. So I'm going to be showing you guys Windows. If we want to connect over serial, you got to figure out what the USB port is. You will have seen COM17 pop up, and so that's the COM that I have to connect to. So you can use a terminal program like Putty. I'm going to go in here. I'm going to say COM17 115200, and we should be good to go. And so here's my terminal window. Let me move it to the side so that we have a nice look. And it's the classic case where the terminal's running on there, so I'm going to have to reboot if I want to see all the LightXE things happen. So let's do a print result, and then I'll show you why we want to do the repr. So I'll do that. So I'm going to do Python 3 LightX bootloader Pi. It's going to run. Nothing's happening. Nothing's happening. Nothing's happening. Why is nothing happening? Well, because we got to reboot. We got to reboot. So the easiest way to reboot is going to be to flip the switch. Gonna flip the switch, flip it back down, and then we should get data. So there we got a bunch of copyright. There's our memory, KO stuff coming up. So I mean, the data's there. You guys get the idea. So I mean, like guys, I'm just showing you. I'm showing you what a pain in the butt this is. And then let's run this and check this out. Do you like that? Do you like that? Does that make any sense at all? Does it make any sense at all? Yeah, I mean, whatever. Let's leave it like that. I was debating if there's So sometimes you got to run with this script. You don't know where you ended it. Like there might be a command or something still in there, but I mean, this is like good enough. We should be able to potentially see the YouTube URL fly across the screen at some point. So I mean, it should be up here. Try it. It should work now, and then we're done. We're done afterwards. I'll share the script with you guys. We're done afterwards. All right. It should work. And then now we have, so I mean, this is the issue. We were missing the last 16 bytes because we weren't parsing the last line correctly. So the cool thing is if you run strings on this, because this is like the part that was triggering me so hard with you guys just looking at the binary, looking at the hex dump, is if you run strings, it's like super obvious.